1. Preparation of the opening. Before starting, make sure the opening is fully prepared for installation. The opening must be ½ inch wider and taller than the overall frame size. The floor must be level and structurally sound. Apply a continuous waterproofing sealant along the sill area to protect against moisture. Once the opening is clean, level, and waterproofed, the installation can begin. 2. Frame assembly. Step 1. Identify and align the 4 frame pieces on a flat surface. Step 2. Connect the top frame to the side pieces using the supplied connectors. Loosen the screws until the connector button reaches the alignment hole. Step 3. Attach the bottom track using the long screws. Tighten all screws evenly until the frame joints are firm and no gaps remain. 3. Placing the frame. Carefully move the assembled frame into the prepared opening. Make sure the frame is centered, square, and level before securing it. 4. Frame installation. Step 1. Apply construction adhesive beneath the bottom track. This creates a strong, watertight bond. Step 2. Drill holes in the sides and top of the frame. Use a 7/16 inch drill bit for the plastic caps on the first layer. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit for the remaining layers. Step 3. Secure the frame to the opening using the provided screws. Step 4. Recheck the alignment. Then cover all screw holes with the supplied plastic caps. 5. Installing the door panels. Step 1. Begin with panel number 1. Attach it to the frame using the hinge screws. Step 2. Connect panel number 2 to panel 1 using hinge screws. Step 3. First, secure the top guide in place. Next, attach the hinges between the panels. Then, install the roller wheels for panels 2 and 3 onto the bottom track. Step 4. Once aligned, connect panel number 3 to panel number 4 using hinge screws. Step 5. Install the roller wheels for panels 4 and 5 onto the bottom track. Then secure the top guide and hinges. Step 6. Attach the handles to the pre-drilled holes on the main door panel. 6. Final check. Open and close the door several times to ensure smooth operation. Adjust hinge alignment if necessary. The installation is now complete.